Hello, Keller Williams agents, Garrett Stewart here, and happy December. For this video, we're going to do our monthly overview of some of the top features that have been updated in Command for the previous month. So we're going to take a look at a couple of things for November. One thing you're going to see and start to notice more and more throughout Command is these little purple guided tours. This is a great way if you need assistance with Command and learning different things. You can actually just click on that and go through different processes where it's going to show you exactly how different things are, where to find things, and proper way to use this system. So a great way to, you might learn a tip or trick, even though you might have been using it for some time now. It's a great thing to just go through all the way and see if you can find something new to learn and just learn these applets a little bit better. So we see it now on the dashboard, and we're gonna see it show up in more and more applets over time. So definitely check that out. The next thing I'm going to move over is actually the biggest updates we've had were in the smart plans. Over here in smart plans, we did get some updates in here, two of them actually. And so first thing I want to show off, we'll go ahead and hit create, and we'll just say November overview. Now open that up, and there's two things. And then now we can actually, when we add email on here, we can actually hit this designs where it's going to pull in a design that we created in designs. The designs editor, email editor in there has you have the ability to use one of the KWRI templates, or if you create your own template. For example, I used a Happy Thanksgiving template just recently, and some other, I do a monthly newsletter and create different templates there, but you can actually create templates for other situations. Maybe you could create a template for first-time home buyers and have just a quick overview of the process, or an introduction to yourself, and have that as an introduction video that you can quickly send out. This is a great way, and I think there's a huge potential to create some really cool email templates in designs and then build them over here. So we've had that email builder in designs now for a couple months now, and you can look back at some of my videos and see them in there to see how you build these email templates. But once you get in here, you're going to be able to select that out. So definitely play with it, check it out, because then you can create smart plans that are made for certain situations. Like I said, for when you first meet a seller, when you first meet a buyer, different situations like that. Because the cool thing is, you can actually, in these email templates, you can add video to them. So imagine having a video of you saying, hello, my name's Garrett, I'm an agent here in Reno, Nevada, and I can go from there. So really cool feature. I might be doing a future video on this sometime in the future, so you can see a little bit more example of it, but definitely play with it, check it out. But for right now, you can actually just pick, let's just do this Thanksgiving one, for example. Got it. So we'll just select that, and you can see I have my, this was what I sent out. You can hit the little eyeball just to see what it previews out as just from there. So we're like, okay, it looks good. We can hit save and exit, and that's going to shoot it right back in there. Now this is a smart plan. All that I need to put is Happy Thanksgiving or whatever I want to do in there. And so just like that, I've got my subject, I've got the email content, which is just that, what I just showed you for the Thanksgiving email, and that is a smart plan. Now, here's a cool thing. You notice I just hit save, and now that unlocked a new feature in Command as well that just came out in November. And that is a trigger event. So we're going to be seeing, hopefully in the future, even more possible triggers, but this is one of the first ones we're now able to control. And so what we can pick is a tag. So when you tag someone in your database, now this only works for new tags. So if someone's already has this tag in your database, this will not trigger for them. But let's just say I have, we'll just search for my VIP tag. There we go. So when I choose confirm trigger, So now, if I were to leave this contact tag trigger as VIP, if I end up creating a new contact or editing a contact and adding that VIP tag to it, it's going to trigger this smart plan. So whatever it is, whether it's a call, whether it's an email, um, uh, text, that's going to trigger the smart plan to get it going right from there as soon as they get tagged as that contact tag trigger. So really cool way to be able to quickly add people, so that way you don't have to, it's not a two-step thing anymore where maybe you're adding a contact and you want to add them to the database for something else or into a smart plan for something else. It's all a one-step thing. You add the tag to it and it'll automatically send that out. So really cool feature there. Hopefully you guys enjoy. That's all I've got for the big updates. There's been a few other things that little things here and there that have come out. I always encourage you to go down here on the dashboard of command and see some of the updates in here too. You're going to see some different little things in here. Our app updated and different things in there. You can also actually see what's coming up next. So really exciting in there. So hope you guys enjoy. Have a wonderful December. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.